In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Clash Royale on PC, laptop, MacBook, Chromebook, play Clash Royale on school computer. Clash Royale was designed mainly for mobile devices, but in 2025 there are still reliable ways to enjoy it on PC, laptop, MacBook, or even a Chromebook, even if you're trying to play on a school computer. The simplest method is to use an Android emulator like BlueStacks, LD Player, or Nox Player. Once you install the emulator on your Windows PC or MacBook, you can log into the Google Play Store with your account, search for Clash Royale, and download it just as you would on a phone. On MacBooks that support the new Apple Silicon chips, Clash Royale can sometimes be installed directly from the App Store if the developer allows it, which removes the need for an emulator. Chromebooks with Google Play support can install the mobile version natively, making it one of the easiest devices to use for the game. For school computers, the situation is a bit trickier because many networks or administrators block game downloads and emulator installations. If your school allows you to install apps, then using BlueStacks or a browser-based cloud gaming service is the most straightforward approach. Some platforms like Google Play Games Beta for PC also let you play Clash Royale without a full emulator, offering smoother performance. However, if restrictions are in place, you might need to use a portable emulator installed on a USB stick or a browser-based streaming option, though these can be limited by school firewalls. A good tip here is to make sure you log into your Supercell ID so all your progress is synced and you don't lose your cards or rank when switching between phone and computer. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.